I thought you might want to see my build, a new computer that I built about a month ago. Alright. This is the NZXT Phantom. Original 2010 black version. Comes in red and white. There's a little sticker on there I put on there. Here's the, right here is the fan controller. There's the power, the hard drive LED, and my power and the reset. My 200mm fan. And now I'm going to open it up for you, okay? Well, here's the front. Well, you can't see it too well, but I'm not pulled out, so. Alright, I'll be right back, alright? I know it is a little messy, but I mean, it really isn't that many cables actually. There's my two 120s, cool, my hard drive and my SSD. I have a Samsung 830 SSD in there, 128 gigabytes. There's my ATX 850 watt. Fan never turns on because I don't use enough power. It doesn't get hot enough. There's my two SP 120mm Corsair fans. SP stands for static pressure with my H60. And under my, there's like, see the wires right there for the power supply? The reason why I didn't tuck them in any further is because I don't want the pins out of the power supply. So I don't want to do that. And then, it's my let's get some light in here. There's my RAM, and there's my like 24 pin right there. Couple SATA connections. Looks a little messy, but it's really not. There's an 8 pin traveling through here. I couldn't wire it from the back because the wire wasn't long enough. This is a Sapphire Radeon HD 7770 gigahertz edition. This is a Sabertooth 990 FX-R2 motherboard. This is the only motherboard out there that was supported natively with the FX-8350 CPU. That's what I have in there right now. Well, that's pretty good. And I have just a normal DVD drive, and that's about it. And here's my keyboard. I have a Logitch X140, and here's my just got it for Christmas, Razer Death Adder. Logo lights up. Here's my, it's a 720p 20-inch LCD monitor. Here's the CPU streaming. It's not doing anything. Couple programs up in the taskbar, but it's not doing anything. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think of my new build. What do you think I should do and improve on it? I know my graphics card is a huge bottleneck, but just in case you're curious, here's my Windows index rating. Obviously my hard drive beats everything. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.